Beautiful day. This is John of Art, and welcome again to our Speak Ilonggo series. And we are here right now. It's a peculiar sight. I've never seen this before. I call this the autumn in the Philippines. Well, there is no autumn in the Philippines, and in fact, when this happens, it doesn't happen to all the trees. Just this tree right over here is experiencing some sort of autumn, while the other trees like this tree, that's a similar tree, that's the mahogany tree, a similar tree, it doesn't do the autumn thing. And if we can see, its leaves are so green. So let's talk about trees and parts of trees to explain a bit more about trees. So the tree is called kahoy. Kahoy. Kahoy is the tree. It can be the tree itself or its lumber. So kahoy. Now kahoy has branches, so you can see the branches. The branches are called sanga, and the twigs are called salingsing, like little sprouts. So they're called salingsing. Now the leaves of the trees are called mga dahon. Singular form is dahon. So we've talked about singular and plural before. Just add mga for the plural form of everything. So dahon, singular, mga dahon for plural. Sanga, singular, mga sanga for plural. Now, there are kinds of leaves. There's the regular leaf or dahon. And then there's the young leaf, the little sprouts. Now the baby leaves are called ugbos. The ugbos are harvested particularly because of their medicinal properties. So watch out for the ugbos. Also in plants, herbs, the fresh baby leaves, they're called ugbos. For the withered leaves, it's more of a description than a noun, so they are called laya. So these are laya nga dahon, and I've never seen so much laya nga dahon that I feel it's like autumn right here when it is summertime in this particular tree. Before there's fruit, there has to be flowers. So the flower of the tree is called bulak. When this bulak matures, it becomes bunga, or the fruit of the tree. If you are standing under a tree, like this one, and you're in the shade, shade is called handong. Wow, look at that. Autumn. Autumn in summer in the Philippines. Oh wow, look at that. And I can feel it on the rooftops as well. My dogs are frolicking in the leaves. That's Jaja and people. Hello! Hello, guys. Hello! Hello, people. Go barefoot. I have never experienced autumn ever in my life, and this is my kind of autumn here in the Philippines. Autumn in the summer of the Philippines. Say hi to Amir of Singapore. Hello. Lumbay is what they call when the leaves fall off the tree. It doesn't mean that the tree is dying. It's only its natural way of shedding off the old leaves to give way for the new one. So as you can see, there are new leaves growing out of the branches. This is Joan of Art, and see you next time in our next video. Bye bye for now, and lumbay.